Bonjour, je suis Lucille. Je suis prof de yoga. I'm a yoga teacher since 2005, depuis 2005. Et je vais reprendre le yoga. I opened my yoga studio in Lanzarote just before COVID, and it shut down because of COVID. And so I kind of stopped practicing yoga, doing Pilates for a while, and I really want to start again. J'ai envie de recommencer à faire du yoga et du Pilates. Et I'm out of breath parce que je suis enceinte. Je suis enceinte de 3 mois, 3 months pregnant, so I'm a little bit out of breath and out of shape. So I would like to start to practice yoga again, and if you want to join me, that would be great. That would be very motivating for me and maybe for you. So we're gonna start. We need a strap, a block, or if you have a cushion, whatever, you can use both. All right. So first we're gonna use the cushion ou le bloc sous les fesses. Et on va venir en posture de méditation. We're going to come in meditation posture, shoulder down, relax. Your chin goes down a little bit. Le menton descend. La colonne vertébrale est droite. Les épaules détendues. Et puis, si vous voulez méditer sur une chaise, vous pouvez. Faites attention à vos genoux, que ça passe pas mal. Et de garder le dos droit. Et puis les mains comme vous voulez, paumes en l'air, hands how you want them. You can also place them like this. Anyway, we're going to start with a couple deep breaths. On inspire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Et on retient la respiration. We keep the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Et on fait ça 3 fois de plus. 3 more times. On inspire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On retient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On expire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Et on inspire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On retient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On expire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One last time. We breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And release. Just relax. Breathe normally. Try to breathe through the nose. And we're going to focus our attention first on the breath. On va observer notre respiration. L'inspiration et l'expiration. On va poser notre attention sur la respiration. Et puis ensuite, on va poser notre attention sur les sons autour de nous, tous les sons. And now we're gonna be aware of all the sounds around us. just observe the sound, whatever sound it is. And now we're going to observe our body, how it feels. So we're going to start from the foot and we're going to go up. Slowly, on va monter dans les jambes, on va ramener l'attention dans le corps. Donc on va commencer par les pieds, puis les jambes. Tout doucement, slowly you go up. You take your time. Through the legs, through the hips, belly. Notice how it feels. No story, just notice. On monte dans le ventre, la poitrine, les épaules, les bras, le dos, le cou, la tête. Puis, on se rend compte de tout notre corps. On devient complètement sensible et aware de tout notre corps. Completely aware of every sensation, every feeling in the body, wherever it is. If it doesn't feel comfortable, we are aware of that, and if it feels comfortable, we are aware of that too, and we let it be. And now we're going to start to be aware of our thoughts. Whatever arises, we observe it. It could be images, could be sounds, thoughts, or whatever it is, what type of thought you have, doesn't matter. On va observer nos pensées, peu importe le type de pensée que vous avez. Si c'est des images, des sons, des paroles, peu importe, on observe. De la même manière qu'on observait les sons, on observe les pensées qui s'élèvent. Et puis maintenant, tout à la fois, on va essayer d'être complètement présent, complètement là. C'est-à-dire qu'on prend conscience du corps, des sons autour de nous, de notre respiration et de nos pensées. On observe tout à la fois, tout ce qui s'élève. Et on reste là, présent à ce qui est. Now we're going to try to be aware of everything all at once. The sounds, your breath. We're going to be aware of our thoughts and of our body. All at once, everything, every sensation, every sound, every breath. We just observe what's going on. No story. Just try to stay here. Whatever comes up, try to stay here and not follow, the thought. Try to stay grounded in this moment. Encore quelques respirations. Et puis tout doucement, on va étirer les bras. We're going to stretch our arms over our head. Inhale, on inspire et on ouvre. On expire et on relâche la tête en bas. On inspire, on ouvre. We open, look up. Exhale, look down. Et on fait ça 5 fois. On inspire et on expire. On inspire et on expire. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take your time. You don't need to follow me. You can go to your own pace. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Stay. 1, 2, 3. Try to reach the sky. And exhale, release. We can take off the block or the cushion. On peut enlever le bloc. Et on va inspirer, ouvrir les bras. Expirer, bras droit à droite, bras gauche au-dessus du visage. Et on regarde en l'air. Open your left arm over your head, right arm to the ground. And breathe in. Focus on your hips. Try to really feel the hips grounding. You know, they're going into the ground. Et de garder les fesses bien au sol. 1, 2, et on ouvre un peu plus the chest area. We open, on ouvre la poitrine. And exhale, we go down. Inhale, right arm over the head. Look up. Hips grounded. Two more breaths. And exhale, go down. Now we're going to place both hands on our right side. Les deux mains à droite. Tout doucement, on essaye de garder les hanches collées au sol, les fesses collées au sol, hips and buttocks on the ground, and we try to lower ourselves towards the ground. Okay? Keep the back straight, on garde le dos droit et on essaie de se rapprocher du sol, tout en gardant les fesses au sol. Et on respire. Et à la prochaine expiration, on vient déposer les mains au milieu. We go in the middle, and on your next exhale, you fold forward. Breathe in and try to reach on the left side. Les mains à gauche, les hanches toujours bien au sol. Breathe in 3 times. Relax your shoulders. And come back to the center. On revient au centre. And slowly place both hands on your knees. On met les mains sur les genoux. And you're gonna curve your spine. Et on va tirer le dos vers l'arrière. Et on inspire et on ouvre les shoulder down, les épaules down. Et on expire, on courbe le dos. On inspire, on ouvre. Try to really send your chest to the sky, shoulder down. Exhale, round your back. On courbe le dos. On étire la colonne, on inspire, on ouvre. On expire. Encore 2 fois. On inspire. You can go to your own rhythm. Try to link your breath with the movement. Le dernier. Et on revient tout doucement au centre. We come back to the center and now we're just gonna roll our shoulders down. On va étirer nos épaules en arrière. Exhale, roll them forward. Et on les étire en avant. Come back to the center, release your shoulder. And then now we're going to breathe in, roll your head to the right side. Tout doucement, tête tourne. Prenez votre temps et à votre rythme. On expire et on change de côté. Change side. Et on revient au centre. Alors maintenant, we're going to go on our hands and knees. So come onto your on your hands and knees. On va venir genoux, mains. Alors. So the hands, your wrists under your shoulders, okay? Open your palms. On ouvre bien les doigts. Genoux sous les hanches. Knees under your hips. We can tuck our toes. Breathe in. Open. Exhale. Curve your back. It's like you're pushing your back towards the ceiling. Breathe in. Inhale, open. Exhale, push. Tailbone down and then tailbone up. Breathe in. On ouvre. Et puis après, on tire le dos vers le ciel. Les hanches sont rentrées, on inspire. Et on courbe la colonne vertébrale et on regarde vers le haut. On garde bien les bras droits. Hein. Keep your arms straight. And breathe in and out. And you're going to do that 5 times on your own. Try to really keep the breathing linked to the movement. On essaie de garder la respiration liée au mouvement. On inspire, on courbe, on expire, on pousse le dos vers le haut. Encore 2 fois. Push. Inhale. Curve your back. Last one. and then come back to tabletop. So here we're gonna open our right arm over our head. Look up, on ouvre le bras droit. On inspire, on expire, on vient mettre le bras droit sous le bras gauche. Head on the ground, bras gauche au-dessus du visage. Try to keep the hips square. On inspire. On inspire, on revient au centre. On inhale, sorry for my dog who's in the middle. Breathe in, cat and cow. On revient. Et on expire. On inspire. Et on revient au centre et on ouvre le bras à gauche. On inspire. Open the arm as far as we can. And then exhale. Put your left arm under the right arm over your head. Three more breaths. And exhale, come back to the center. Breathe in and breathe out. We're going to sit on our heels. Couple breaths here. Oh, I'm sorry for my mic. Try to center yourself. Come back to the breath, the feeling of the body, the thoughts, sounds around you. And then slowly, when you're ready, we're going to come back to tabletop. On revient au milieu et we're going to tuck our toes, lift our knees and push our hips like we're trying to reach the sky with the hips. On peut garder les genoux pliés, ok? Si vous pouvez détendre vos jambes, bah, tant mieux. Mais si non, c'est pas grave. Le dos droit. Keep the back straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Palms wide open. Fingers wide open. Last breath and breathe in. We're going to bring our knees down. Bring our chest down. Chest and chin down. And push forward. Breathe in. Inhale. Shoulder down. Cobra. On expire. Et on revient. On revient à Downward Dog. Tout doucement, on dépose les genoux au sol et la poitrine et le menton. On garde les coudes bien collés au sol, bien collés à notre poitrine. Et on inspire, cobra. On essaye de garder les épaules bien baissées. Et on expire, on revient en Downward Dog. On le fait une dernière fois. Last one. Stay in Downward Dog. And inhale, we bring the knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra. And exhale, we come back to the center. We can do child pose. You can open your knees, bring your chest to the ground. And whenever you're ready, we come back to the center and we're gonna sit. Quand vous êtes prêts, on va s'asseoir, étendre les jambes, les orteils en l'air, toes to the sky. Et on va prendre une grande respiration, ouvrir les bras, tirer, étirer la colonne, expirer. Et on peut venir plier les genoux pour mettre le ventre sur les cuisses. Okay, you can keep your knees bent because what matters is that your belly goes onto your thighs. Breathe in and breathe out. Shoulder down, keep your spine straight. Every time you exhale, you feel like you're going a little bit deeper into the pose. Dès qu'on expire, on se rapproche tout doucement du sol, sans forcer. Et on revient tout doucement au centre. On va ouvrir la jambe droite, jambe gauche, pied gauche à l'intérieur de la jambe droite. And we're gonna place our elbow in the middle, open the left arm over the head, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, we're gonna bring the left arm on the ground et on ouvre les hanches. Bras droit au-dessus du corps, comme si ça nous tirait vers l'avant. Exhale down, on revient au centre et on inspire, on réouvre. We open again. Hips forward, exhale down. Allez-y doucement, on inspire, on ouvre. On expire, on relâche. On le fait 2 fois de plus. 2 more times. 1. And 2. Come back to the center. On revient au centre. Et là, on va mettre les 2 pieds ensemble. The 2 feet together. So wherever you feel comfortable. If you feel comfortable here, stay here. Sinon, vous pouvez rapprocher les jambes. Hein? On reste là, shoulder down, and slowly, you're going to use your feet to pull you forward. Keep your spine straight. Shoulder down. It shouldn't hurt. You stay here. 5 deep breaths. Last breath. Exhale, come back to the center. On revient au centre. Et là, on ouvre la jambe gauche. We open the left leg. Right foot inside the left leg. Toes facing the sky. Elbow à l'intérieur de la jambe gauche. On met le coude gauche. On ouvre le bras droit au-dessus de notre tête. Et on regarde vers le ciel. On inspire. 5 profondes respirations. On expire, on revient. Et on va faire, j'ai oublié, on va faire la position où on met la main droite derrière et on ouvre les hanches vers le ciel. On inspire, open the left arm over your head. 1, 2, exhale, go down. Breathe in, open. Exhale down. 3 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. All right. Ooh. Okay, try to really stay aware of your body. Maybe you can take a few seconds, few movement where you just feel what you want to do, what feels tight, what feels like you want to stretch or you want to move a certain part of your body. Feel free. Okay, just close your eyes and try to feel the sensation in your body. I'm just twisting right and left just because I feel a little uncomfortable in my belly because of pregnancy, and my pants is really too tight. I should get pregnancy pants, but I didn't purchase it yet, so I feel a little out of breath. It's fine. Couple breaths. And we're gonna come back to the center whenever we're ready. I didn't use the strap. Sorry, I forgot. Shoulder down. Meditation pose. We're gonna breathe in, open your arms over your head. On ouvre les bras au-dessus de la tête. On inspire et on expire. Breathe in. Breathe out. 3 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Une dernière, on inspire. Et on expire. You want to keep a few seconds for yourself to maybe pray for someone you love or connect to your own body, your own Buddha nature. Feel grateful for the blessing in your life. A few seconds. All right. Well, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. It was a short session, but the most important for me, pour moi, le plus important, c'est de rester connecté au corps, au son, aux sensations, enfin, c'est le corps, et à la respiration. Et c'est pas facile de rester là. It's not easy to stay here while you move and while you have to listen. So it's to go slow is, for me at the beginning, is easier, because if not, I lose the connection with the present moment. I'm in my head, so I need to be slow at the beginning. And but yeah, I feel tired. But thank you for following me. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Et puis j'essaierai de poster une vidéo prochainement, un peu plus longue avec un peu de chance. Bonne journée à vous. Have a good day. Bye.